Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Before you start the refund process, you'll want to understand the refund token system. Epic Games gives you 3 refund tokens per year, and each token lets you refund 1 cosmetic item. You can use these on skins, pickaxes, emotes, or wraps. Once your tokens are used up, you're done until next year, so choose wisely. Step 2. Log into your Epic Games account on the official website. Go to your account settings and find the transaction history section. Look for the skin you want to refund, and make sure it was purchased within the last 30 days. If it's been longer than that, you won't be able to refund it. Step 3. Click the refund button next to the skin purchase. A confirmation window will pop up showing you the VBUCKS amount you'll receive back. Double check that this is the item you actually want to return before proceeding. Step 4. Confirm the refund and use one of your refund tokens. The VBUCKS will be credited back to your account almost instantly. You'll see the balance update right away in your account. Step 5. Log into FORTNITE and verify your VBUCKS have been restored. You can now use those VBUCKS to buy a different skin or cosmetic item. Remember, you can do this process 3 times per year, so plan your purchases carefully.